Hey, good afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius, the 4th of September. So let's talk market here. And it was a nice and pretty straightforward day of day trading here, and I'll show you a second. And I pretty much just was interested in the first moves today. And so we had our first off sell-off. The thing I always nervous about when we're below VWAP is when will they start the elevator ride down. But it's the reversals that always worry me, because when trading futures, I don't like to lose money, so I'm pretty cautious. And so I just wait for my either my slingshots, or I wait for a reversal coming up off this. In this case, we got both. And I went ahead and took the trade, and I was done trading futures for the day. I also went ahead and had a nice little brackets on the binary options with US 500, did 2 trades there. The net result was over $400. Just to show you here real quick is that 334 net of commission, and then plus the binary trade is just about a $400 day for me. That's what I like to make, when I day trade, and it was nice. I could have made more. I wasn't around. I stepped away. You have to know thyself, and sometimes when you get a good shot early, you sometimes overtrade, and I just held back. And so I think the market now, just to give you FYI, I think the market is going to go. We have 9 weeks to the election now, and I think things are going to get really shrill, and I think we have now corporate America is now engaging in political activity, with the Nike thing. They're agitating a base. Okay, there's no doubt Nike leans on the progressive side. We've had the FANGs that have been overtly involved in that direction. There just seems to be the politicians are unable to penetrate Trump. Now they're just trying to overwhelm us with the marketplace with that. And it's okay if you don't like Trump and if you're a Democrat and all that stuff. It's just how it's being done is pretty scary. The corporations are pretty much just taking over at this point. They're not even hiding the fact that they have an agenda that they wish to express. And so it's just going to get crazy, because there's a lot of pushback going on now as well. So, and we're at nosebleed levels with the market. And so you're going to get kind of stuff like this. Market's still a little bit open here. Drove down to our opening line here, and then look at it. We got a little bit of another. You're seeing it live. Here's another slingshot going into the close. That's why you got to be always very careful, especially when the market's down for the day. They try to do this stuff here to drive the market higher. So just be careful here. Make your money early and get out. But Slingshot's now available also in Tradingview. So we extended the fall specials till next Sunday. So people that couldn't do it because they couldn't trade in Think or Swim, we now have it available in the Tradingview software, and I'll show that to you in a second. And it also works really well with cryptos at different time periods. This is 5 minutes I like to trade the ES with. And then on Thinkorswim, here's Bitcoin on the 4-hour. We like to use the slingshot on that. In fact, we took a trade at 68.50 per fill. We've been grinding that trade up. There's no reason why. Relative strength has been strong throughout it, and we've just been moving our stop up. Stop's at 7,300 now, and that's locks in a 6.5% gain. So if you buy the ETF one, you get the day trading money machine in Tradingview. If you buy the that's special 2. If you buy special 4, you get the one for the crypto, which is on a different time period, and you get that one for signing up for special number 4, and it's available for a year, and you get into trading rooms as well. So right now, from a stock standpoint, is that unless I find something compelling, I'm sitting back in the weeds. The last of my miners stopped out, and there's no reason to start chasing this stuff. They may try to push the miners down until the Fed meeting, and then we'll look for an opportunity there. But they did a really good hit on silver today, and so just I'm not going to be a hero. I'm going to day trade, and make my money that way until we get some good swings again. And we're just putting these tools out in front of you so that you can make money while you're waiting too. And just to show you that the Slingshot works, here's the futures. And one thing you have to know though with Tradingview is that you'll have to get access to the futures because they come standard delayed. But that's crude oil. Crude oil is also different time frame. Let me go ES here. Sorry about that. Go to the 5 minute. Just to show you that it works as there as well. And so, and right here was the Slingshot. But sorry about that. On that note, I'm gonna let you guys go. My wife just came home and the dogs are greeting her. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.